Day 3 of our 7-day stretch. Today we're going to talk about the quads, these 4 large muscles at the front of the thigh. So why is it important to have flexible quads? So I've learned this lesson myself, and it's a painful one. If your quads are tight, your knee doesn't glide in alignment as it should. It's off alignment, and that leads to knee pain. And as well, believe it or not, if you have tight quads, one of the quads, the rectus femoris, can become tight and tilt our pelvis out of alignment and cause back pain, as can the sartorius, which is, as you know, the longest muscle in the body. It can become tight. Our hips get pulled out of alignment and it causes back pain. So how do we stretch the quads really, really effectively? Believe it or not, this is done incorrectly very, very often. So the most common form of stretching is the standing quad stretch, which I will demonstrate. Knees in front. And because my knee is in front, I'm not really getting the most effective stretch on it. So if I push my knee behind my hip, that can also lead to a problem, which is an overarching of the back. So hopefully you can see that. It looks like this. So there's an excessive curve at the bottom of the spine. So how do we eradicate this and make it really, really simple? Well, we need to lie on our side to begin with. I've got my nice mat. I'm going to lie on my side, make my head pretty comfortable. You can use a pillow or just use your arm. And I'm going to grab the leg that I wish to stretch. Now I push my knee behind my hip, but I also bring my bottom knee or bottom leg up at a 90-degree angle. And that will prevent excessive curving of the spine. And I just hold this for, say, 30 to 60 seconds. And of course, I can flip to the opposite side, make sure I'm rested on my head first with a pillow or my arm, grab the leg which needs to be stretched, push the knee behind the hip, and bring the bottom leg up at 90 degrees. And just enjoy. So, if you have knee pain, folks, if you have back pain and you can't seem to get rid of it, always check the quads. It's a really good stretch. Hope that helps.